Good afternoon, students. In today's class, we are going to continue the same problem, which is under Laplace transform. We already completed up to this in the last class. Today, we are going to continue the same problem. Okay, after this step. Okay. Now we need to solve this. Okay. For that, we are going to use partial fraction method. So for that, we need to take the bracket term, which is s square minus 6s plus 10 whole divided by s minus 1, s minus 2, s minus 3. For this, we are going to make it as a partial fraction. Okay. So this is a normal factor. We will have a by first factor plus b by second factor plus c by third factor. Now we take the LCM as the same thing, which is in the left side, right? So which is s minus 1, s minus 2, s minus 3. And here a into s minus 2, s minus 3 plus b into, we just leave this down. Okay, write the one and two factors. So s minus 1, s minus 3 plus c into is, just leave this down and write the one and two factors, which is s minus 1, s minus 2. Okay, then now you need the denominator term, just consider the numerator term again. So which is s square minus 6s plus 10, that should be equal to, write the numerator term, which is a into s minus 2, s minus 3 plus b into s minus 1, s minus 3 plus c into s minus 1, s minus 2. Okay, now we want to make the substitutions for s. Okay, there are three constants a, b, c. We need three substitutions. So first substitution is s is equal to, yes, we take the first factor equal to 0. From that we are going to get the value as 1. Okay, substitute s as 1. So we get the term which is 1 minus 6 plus 10. That should be equal to, these two terms are 0 because we are having a factor s minus 1. Okay, we just write this term alone. So a into 1 minus 2 and 1 minus 3. That should be equal to 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 6 is 5, which is the left side. And the right side term is, this is minus 1 and this is minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2a. From that we get a value as 5 by 2. Okay, one value is over. Next we will have this x substitution, that is s is equal to 2. And the left side make it as s as 2. So 2 square, then minus 6 into 2 plus 10. That should be equal to, this is 0. And the last term also 0. Just consider the middle term. So b into 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3. And this one is what? 4 minus 12. 4 minus 12 plus 10, which is 14 minus 12. That should be 2 on the left side. And right side term is 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Finally, we get minus b. So the b value is what? Yes, minus 2. So b is over. And we need to find the third substitution. That should be it. S is equal to 3. And we will substitute here, which is 9 minus 6 into 3 plus 10. That should be equal to, first and second terms are 0. And substitute in third term. So c into 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2. That should be equal to 9 plus 10 is 19. 19 minus 18 is 1. And the right side term is 2, 1, which is 2c. That should be equal to, c value is 1 by 2. Okay. Now, just mark this one as equation number 1 and this one as 2. Okay, 1 and 2 both are same. Just replace a value, b value, c value and equate it to the same value. Okay. Yes, so equation number 1, which implies y of t, that should be equal to, we just make this partial fraction method. A value is 5 by 2 by s minus 1. And b value is minus 2 by s minus 2. And c value is 1 by 2 by s minus 3. Okay, the thing is we need to take the inverse Laplace transform because we apply partial fraction method for this term. Okay, outside that we have one L inverse, that is not to add here. Just make it as L inverse of this term and here L inverse of this term. And the last term is L inverse of the last. You just take the number outside. So 5 by 2 is outside, L inverse of 1 by s minus 1 and minus 2 outside, ending with so 1 by s minus 2 plus 1 by 2 is outside, ending with so 1 by s minus 3. Okay, at last we are going to use the formula. So the formula is what? 5 by 2 e power t minus 2 e power 2t plus 1 by 2 e power ut. Okay, the left side term is, oh yeah, okay. So this is the solution for the differential equation using Laplace transform. Okay, thank you guys.